Education is the cornerstone of opportunity, yet millions of children in rural China face barriers to accessing quality learning. At Evergreen Education Foundation, we're changing that. Since 2001, our mission has been to improve access to high-quality education for children in rural and low-income areas of China. We promote lifelong learning and global collaboration while helping the Chinese diaspora connect with their cultural heritage. Evergreen's innovative programs are making a difference. Parenting and play centers nurture early childhood development during the critical 0 to 3 years. Household reading sites bring books directly into rural homes, fostering a love of reading. STEM workshops inspire creativity and problem-solving among young learners. The numbers tell our story. 1,926 scholarships awarded to 677 students, with over 330 attending universities, including top-tier institutions. 56 rural libraries modernized with technology and resources. More than 1,400 educators and librarians trained to improve teaching practices. Our efforts have earned global recognition, including the Gates Foundation's Access to Learning Award and Global Giving's Superstar status. But our work is far from over. With your support, we can reach even more communities, open more doors, and create brighter futures for children in need. Help us change lives through education. Donate now at evergreeneducation.org.